How to recover deleted chats on Instagram? Let's begin with the video. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. From there, select Account Center, which you will find at the top of the menu. Once inside the Account Center, look under the account setting and select your information and permission. Here, tap on Download your information to start the process. Then click on Download or Transfer information to proceed. Furthermore, choose some of your information. At this point, you will be prompted to choose the specific type of information you want to download. Scroll down and make sure to select only the box next to Messages. After that, hit Next to continue. Now select Download to device as your preferred method for receiving the file. Moreover, customize the download by choosing your date range, preferred file format, and the media quality. Once everything looks good, hit Create File to submit your request, and Instagram will prepare your data. When the file is ready, download it and you will be able to see all of your deleted chats. By following these simple steps, you now know how to recover deleted chats on Instagram.